All right, kindergarten, it's Miss Julie. Welcome to lesson 12 of our Eureka Math, module 1, lesson 12. And we're going to be doing two fluency things today. One, two. We're going to be counting up to 5 using the math way. And we're going to do our sunrise, sunset. Now, I'm not going to be standing up and doing it real big like y'all can do. Y'all can stand and rise your sun and take it down. But I'm going to sit, okay, just because the camera really doesn't get all of me in the picture. So our first one is we're going to practice our counting the math way. So everybody hold up that pinky. All right, let's count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Let's start over. Now this time I want you to know this one. We're not holding any fingers up. So if we're not holding any fingers up, we don't have any, do we? We have 0. Everybody say 0. 0. Good job. So we're going to start by saying 0 to start, because if you don't have anything, then you have the number 0. So we have 0 fingers in the air. So everybody say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Now I'm going to throw a little trick in there. We're going to count up again, but this time we're going to count back down. Let's practice that. So we're starting with our 0. So everybody say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Let's do that one again together. 0. Do you see me? Almost started at 1. Ha. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's start counting down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great job. We'll practice that again. That is counting the math way. Great job. You guys are awesome at it. I love it when you're in the hallway going, it's the math way. That makes me super happy. Okay? The next thing we're going to do are sunrise and sunset. If you want to stand up next to your chair, don't get crazy with it. Just stand up right next to your chair. And when the sun is down, you're going to get your hands real down, real low. Now mine are going to just be right here, but you can get down real low. And then we're going to rise the sun, and as we rise, we're going to count. So let's start at 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and your numbers or your hands are real high in the air. 5. Now let's start counting down and make the sun set. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. Let's do that again. This time though, we're going to start at the top. All right, so our sun's up. We're up in the day. Our sun is up. So everybody have your sun up like this. And we're going to start at 5, and our sun's going to go down. So everybody up like this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Good job. So you can continue practicing that with your teacher, your sunrise, sunset, and I will see you guys tomorrow for lesson 13.